Hey guys, so today I've got a pink parcel box to show you. Now I'm pretty sure that this is June's box, but I can't be 100% sure because it was really late. They kind of messed it around. They took a payment, refunded me, took a different payment, said it wasn't coming, then it arrived. Like, I don't know what happened this month, but I think that this is this month's box, so I'm gonna show you anyway because I might as well. So for anyone who's never had a pink parcel before, this is what it looks like when you open it up. So you have a fillator box which has whatever you've ordered in there. It has a for night box. This is one of the older boxes though, because they don't do the for night box anymore, so I don't know what's happening with this, but it has larger pads in that one anyway. And then the little pouch which says for now on it also has some more in there. They're pretty cute and colourful. Anyway, the main bit that everybody cares about really is the For You box. And this month I'm not a massive fan, I'm not gonna lie. The first thing we have in here is our tea, which is this apple and blackcurrant green tea with vitamins. We've had these multiple times before, literally the same tea. In fact, I'm pretty sure we got one of these in the last box. It does match my makeup though, but like no variation whatsoever. I'm bored of getting this now, so I mean there's that. Then we have a nail varnish, which is a nails ink one, called Porchester Square. Not my kind of colour at all. It's like a very greyish kind of nude colour. I never have my nails that colour, they're always dark, and for anyone that keeps asking, they're always stick-ons as well. I just glue these on, but yeah, there's that anyway. Then we have our treat for the month. I think this is probably the most exciting thing in the box to me. Our treat is Toffee and Pecan Whitworth's Shots. This little thing. So it says there's Sultana's Dates, Toffee Balls and Pecan Pieces, which sounds pretty nice, I guess. However, the best before date is June 2019, which is right now. So a little weird. I don't know if they're buying things like at the end of their life to get them cheaper, maybe, possibly. But June 2019 is literally now, so there is that. Then we have this, which is Willie's apple cider vinegar. Not sure why you would need apple cider vinegar in a period box, but there you go. It says always dilute before drinking, use as a tonic or a dressing. Just super random little bottle of vinegar. Then we have some more Bandsy hair bands. Literally, I think we've had about 70 of these in the boxes. I never use them, and these are really gross colours as well, in my personal opinion. But they just don't do well in my hair, so I don't use those. And then we have two items left. This one we have had before. I do like the brand, the Sebamed brand, but the mattifying cream isn't something I really use. The acne cream they do is amazing, like the clear gel. This stuff is just not so much. This is kind of like a moisturizer, I guess, but yeah, just a little mini one. It says for impure acne prone skin, mattifies the skin, care formula with horse chestnut. So it's just this little bottle here. And then the last thing we have is a lipstick. So I've not actually seen the colour of this yet, but it's by Style London Hydrating Mousse Matte Lipstick in the colour Berry Crush. So the packaging is pretty nice, like a marbly effect, and Berry Crush sounds like it's going to be dark, hopefully. So let's have a see. Oh yeah, okay. So this is a lipstick. Looks like a very vampy red kind of colour, which I am a fan of. we'll definitely try that out sometime. And yeah, that's everything that was in Pink Parcel this month. This lipstick was definitely my favourite item, I would say, because it's something that I would actually use. So just as a little overview of what we got again, we got the Bansi hair bubbles, the mattifying cream, the toffee pecan shot, the tea, the nail varnish, trying to hold stuff where you can see it, the vinegar, and the lipstick. Apple cider vinegar and lipstick. So all of these things plus your feminine items this month, I think it was $14 or $14.99. The price has gone up, so I might end up cancelling it now. I just think that's too much money for these little things, really. When it was £10, like, that was a good deal to me, but I'm not sure about the £15 thing. That's like a whole half extra, so we'll see what the next box is like, or the next 2 boxes are like, and then I'll see if I want to cancel it. Yeah, anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you're not already, then please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.